Go bird. Say hi. Let me tell you something. If you're watching this video and you don't have one of these yet, you're really missing out. This is the most fun, easiest remote control gadget I've flown. And it's so unique. And I'll tell you what, best part about it, they're only $200. $200. It's got a brushless motor. You get them on Amazon. And right now, they're $169. They're on sale, believe it or not. I picked up a couple. But let me tell you one thing. Sure thing is going to ruin these if you keep putting them in the case and taking them out every time you fly. Because what happens after 10 times, maybe even less, the connection gets weak. And the tail won't fit in. I had to tie rubber bands on mine. And I just keep it together now. I haven't had no problem. Just keep it assembled. I mean, the case is cool, no doubt. And it's kind of cool. Pull it out and put it together real fast, but it's not worth it. Because it will mess up. I've been through 2 of them like that. And I'm glad they're only a couple $100. But this is the most fun I've ever had remote control. And it's so unique. People just can't believe it's not a real bird. They just can't. Nobody's seen these. Nobody. If you want to be somebody that has something real cool that nobody else has, you get one of these. But here's what you fly. Here's the little code on there. Little one-handed control. Yeah. It's going to want to take off. You just got to keep it on the down low. It's going to want to fly high. You just got to keep it down. You can try shutting it off and turning it back on like this. Oh, I cut it back on now. Just a little dive. Try that again. Turn it off. And turn on. Yeah, baby. Yeah, go bird. Okay, that's it. Seriously, go out and get one. I mean, don't go out. Just go to Amazon. Pick up your phone. You will never regret it. Never. Unless you lose it. I get stuck up in a tree. I've had that before. Things go wrong. But as long as you don't take it apart all the time, it's pretty cool. I've ran it into poles. They're very durable. Kick that in right there. Okay, I gotta go. Oh, he said bye. Come on, cut off.